Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Thursday afternoon from where else? The balcony here at the NYSE, and the markets, they're on a roll. My Mets, they're on a roll. My lunch sandwich, also on a roll. And I'm feeling just fine. The weather's beautiful here in the Big Apple, the New York Stock Exchange right behind me. And it's about that time. You know what it is. It's almost 4 o'clock. The session, it's about to end. And we're going to go across the street to grab ourselves a drink. You know why? Because it's happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks making an attempt to bounce back for a second consecutive session this Thursday afternoon. This amid continued signs of strength in the U.S. economy. And it is data that we begin with, as the second estimate of second quarter GDP coming in at 3.7%, beating the first estimate of 2.3%. At the same time, on the data front, we also had jobless claims coming in slightly lower than expected, 271,000, therefore marking the first decline in 5 weeks. And we're not done there. July pending home sales figures rising 0.5%. In other words, holding steady. In addition, we had to talk about the overseas markets. China's Shanghai Composite finally closing up 5.4% to reclaim the critical 3,000 mark. And when you team that with crude oil futures topping $41 a barrel in morning trade, gold futures for December delivery down 60 cents to $11.24 a troy ounce, and the U.S. dollar continuing to trade mixed, then you have yourself a session right behind me now where six stocks have advanced for every decliner. That's right, at the big board. Let's take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this mostly volatile and positive trading session. And on the corporate front, Apple jumping more than 2%, but still remaining in correction territory. The stock closing out of a bear market yesterday. And for more corporate news, check out our earlier ModernWallStreet.com Market Movers report with our very own Lilda Smeets. And as always, we end on a sports note. Tonight, the New York Mets going for a complete 4-game sweep of the Philadelphia Phillies in Philadelphia. And I'm pretty sure they're going to do it. Get the brooms out. And lastly, in Beijing, Usain Bolt is a running god. And with that stated, until tomorrow, which is a Friday, so everybody get excited, I'm James Sweeney, and I am for ModernWallStreet.com.